In today's lesson, we'll be learning about a volume of composite figures. Before we begin, let's review some of the equations that we might be using today. In our first example, we need to find the total volume of this composite figure. Let's focus on this part of the composite figure first. This figure appears to be half a sphere, which means I'll need the radius. Since we already have the radius, we can go straight to its equation, which is 4 multiplied by pi multiplied by radius cubed, then divided by 3. We know that pi is 3.14 and the radius here is 1. At this point, you'll need to remember to follow BEDMAS, which means you need to do exponents before multiplying and then dividing at the end. 1 to the power of 3 is the same thing as 1 times 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. Four times 3.14 times 1 is 12.56, and then we need to divide by 3, and that is going to become approximately 4.2. However, this is a half sphere, which means we need to take this number 4.2 and we need to divide it by 2, and that is going to become approximately 2.1 feet cubed. Next, I want to focus on this part of the composite figure. This figure appears to be a cylinder, which means I'll need its radius and its height. Since I have these already, I can go straight to the equation, which is pi multiplied by radius squared multiplied by height. Pi is 3.14, the radius here is 1, and the height is 3. At this point, you want to follow BEDMAS, which means you need to do the exponents first before multiplying. 1 to the power of 2 is the same thing as 1 times 1, which is equal to 1. So 3.14 times 1 times 3 is approximately 9.4 feet cubed. To find the total volume of this composite figure, all I need to do is add up the two volumes that I just calculated earlier. I've gone ahead and done that already for you, therefore the total volume of this composite figure is 11.5 feet cubed.